Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you.
This bedroom, obviously great size closets here, and then it comes with a balcony that you can have out here. So this bedroom, if somebody's kids want to choose one, they're going to get to have their own balcony. So we've had buyers come through and the kids are like, this is my room, this is my room. So an excellent feature here.
Yeah, no, having that deck, being able to look into the outside with the cable railings are super nice, and that wooden top that relates to all of our now nice engineered wood too. So that's great, and you can still see the water.
And the water view from this bedroom is actually very, very nice. So
way better. So nobody gets to lose anything. One has something, the other one has something else, right? So it's beautiful. And then we go upstairs. Again, none of these is something you will find in any other property. The views, the deck, that having the laundry room right on that floor, you know, the shared bathroom too.